Alright y'all, here we are. Flood coat. So what I want to do is I'm going to start out right here near the edge. And I'm going to get all this perimeter covered. Then I'm going to start filling it in. And then what's crucial, always what's crucial, I like to save just a little bit here, and I like to go ahead and get these corners here. Because of the curve, because of the way it hits and rolls, it's easier to pour those than it is to wait on it. There we go, just like that. Right down to the last drop. Okay, now I'm going to get some gloves on here. And all I'm going to do is just help move this ever so slightly so the edges and all that, come on around. Do real good for us. So I'm going to get just a little bit of this bulk right here, and I'm going to angle towards the side here. And it's not much, I'm barely pushing. Barely pushing here. And I didn't have any yet on the back, there we go. And I'm going to do the same with the other side. So I'm barely just sitting on here and dragging this along. There we go. So that it rolls over real nice for us. There we go. Needed that to catch that side up. If you do all this while it's still self-leveling, then you'll never have to worry. Because anything that gets messed with on the side, like I'm doing right now, anything like that, it's still actively flowing, so it's always going to flow back over where it's supposed to. So now you can see right out the gate, okay, that bubble there, one or two. I mean, that's pretty much it because of the great seal coat application that we already achieved. So what I'm going to do now, while that's sitting here working for us, I want to add in some cool effects. So I'm going to switch over here to the isopropyl. Let me grab my mask real quick. All right, so got my mask on, just with the isopropyl, so that's what this is going to do. So we're going to sit here and start. You ready, Tom?
Yep.
I'm going to do your side first here down the line so we can get these addressed. So the isopropyl is not only going to take care of our bubble situation, look at what it does. Okay, don't worry about the fish eyes. Those are going to work themselves right out. It puts the graphics in here, those little bitty distinctive graphics in here that just make the piece super cool. Pops those right in. Okay, so now we've got a staircase handrail with a bunch of fish eyes. Not to worry, it takes about 10 or 15 minutes for all this to dissipate. 15, and we'll bring you all right back in. We want to save some video time. We're not doing nothing. It's just going to continue to self-level, and these fish eyes are going to fill in. So we're not doing anything other than that, and we'll let this get out of the room a little bit, and we will bring you all right back in. Before I do, I'm going to go ahead and do the drip one time just to show you. Just like we always do, we're going to stay on top of those. We don't want none of those holding us up later. That's it. Now we're going to let this do its thing, and we'll bring you right back in as soon as we can take our masks off and everything, settles down back here. We're going to step out of the room for a minute. All right, y'all, we got about 3 minutes left. Everything's dissipated. We're fine, and as you can see, it's beautiful. We've got all these little surface bubbles right here. So that's what we're going to take care of now with the torch. So here we go. You can just see those going right away. All right. I'm going to start back here. While Tom's filming there, I'm just getting these drips as they accumulate. So that black is really nice. It's a metallic. It's got all kinds of color glitter in it. Tom, see if you can get up really close and show them the glitter in that. So we did not drop that blue glitter in it this time like we did for our big tops. We wanted this glitter to come out, but look at all the graphics and details and everything that it made with just the isopropyl. Because it's an alcohol, it hits in there and it makes this little micro explosion times a bunch because of the mist. And it just turns out gorgeous every time. So this is where we're gonna go ahead and cut off and end you guys. Tom, show them the front side here, looking in. See if you can see me up here in the reflection.
Oh yeah.
Am I there?
Yep.
Okay. So I just wanted y'all to see the clarity and everything and the edge work. That's how we get those corners just beautifully to curve over, and no waves and distortion and all that. Just slicked up. It all stems back to that seal coat. So we're happy thus far. This is flood coat number 1. Just so you know, we've got another one because we're going to be putting graphics, the vein work on this, just like we did that big top, or the 2 big tops. So tune in for that on the next video. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Hope this helps you at home. We'll see you back real soon with the next one.